Good morning, Abaqus tutorial, lesson 101, how to get the torque of contact surface. The video is very relaxed. Let's go. Okay. Create this first part, second part. Pay attention. There, okay. Property. Part 1. Next step. Okay. Interaction. Okay. Surface to surface. First, then surface. Second surface, then contact property. Penalty. Okay, how to get torque of contact surface? Here, interaction contact. Okay, CTRQ. Okay, 100 results. Come back interaction, interference, gradually remove slave node or close during the step. Okay. Mesh. Boundary. Okay. Submit. Just wait a second. Results. Okay. Talker, where is talker? Here. Plot. Okay. Time. Talker value. Okay. This is my Chinese WeChat. Advertising time. Okay, if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.